Hi, I'm Donna Gronewold. I teach Algebra 1 to freshmen, sophomores, and 8th graders. And I'd like to let you know a little bit about the Algebra program here at Forston. First of all, our textbook that we use is in an online format. It's from a publisher called Savvis, and it's actually called Savvis Realize. I've had the students start to work within that platform on their Chromebooks in the last couple days, and I'm trying to get them to understand how to get to an assignment, how to submit an assignment, and what to do when they don't understand a problem or what's being asked from the assignment. Part of that is using some examples in class. Every example that we use in class, I post in Google Classroom so that the students can get to and look at the examples on their own, as well as having gone through them in class. Assignments are also posted in Google Classroom. Google Classroom is the portal that the students are going to use to get to anything that I need them to do in class. We've been working pretty hard on that in the last week to get the students familiar with that. Skyward is used to record grades. I record grades for homework, but I don't record a lot of points for homework. Most of the time, I'm going to record just a single point for homework. That allows you as a parent to see that your student has done and received credit for that assignment. It also allows you to see if there's missing assignments or zeros or late assignments or things that are partially completed. I feel that assignments and homework should be practice, so I don't like to award a lot of points for them, but I also understand that Google Classroom platform can be really confusing to try and understand what's an assignment and what's an example. So I'm going to use Skyward to help you as parents understand that. The last thing I want to talk about is calculators. Students will need access to some sort of graphing calculator. I have probably 20 or so TI-83 calculators that the students are welcome to borrow. We used to put them in a rental program, but now we're still calling it a rental program, but there is no fee for it. So all I need a student to do is fill out the paperwork, bring it home to you, have you sign it, bring it back, and I will loan them a calculator to use for the year. Please, please, please make sure that you contact me if you have any questions, any concerns. The best contact information, the best way to contact me is really through email. You can do it through Skyward, but that's a little bit of a clumsy and cumbersome type of interface to get through. And sometimes I miss that a parent has sent me an email through Skyward for a day or two. I apologize if that happens. But if you email me directly, dgronewold@fvdistrict221.org, I will respond to you as soon as I can. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I'm looking forward to a really good year with your kids. Thanks.